As we have read the story, let us discuss the main message of the story, that what this story wants to convey to the readers. So, in this story, the author John Updike brings home the idea that children have their own identity, views, and attitudes, and it is wrong on the part of adults to thrust their will on them. Once a child is able to express himself or herself, one shouldn't brush aside his queries, suggestions, and opinions. And if the adult finds the child approach to be erroneous, then one should appeal to his reasoning rather than to force him to see the adult's viewpoint by using threat and coercive methods. And the author has yet another message to convey, that we should honor, value, and accept all creatures, high or low, gleefully, the way skunk was eventually accepted by the woodland creatures despite his foul smell. So, this was the message, and now let us discuss the title, whether the title is appropriate or not. So, this title, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, is apt, or I think it is appropriate and justified, in spite of the fact that the father, who is the mouthpiece of the author, is firm in his opinion that mothers all the world over are supreme and cannot make any mistake. However, the author has chosen the title very gingerly, and the reader is face to face with the two contrasting viewpoints. The spirit of equality stamped in her mind urges Joe to condemn the mother and demand that Wizard should hit the mother in retaliation. The child's thinking is simple and innocent, and she fails to understand that her father wants to tell her that mothers are above all blame, and that is why the child vehemently demands that tomorrow I want you to tell me the story that Wizard took the magic wand and hit the mommy, is met by father's cryptic answer, no, that's not the story. Yet the author deliberately keeps the story open-ended and does not categorically state his opinion, and the title has a question mark, leaving the readers to decide whether the mother needs to be hit or spared, because he wants the gingerliness to correspond with the ending of the story that leaves the narrator caught in the ugly middle position of uncertainties. So, this is all. Now, I hope you all have understood the story.